Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we got a cool new product from Tusk. This is the new UTV LED side view mirror. If you are looking to add some additional lighting, some added safety, and some cool looks to your UTV, then you need these mirrors. When you have these mounted up, you have 6 forward-facing LEDs, and you also have 3 LEDs here on the side that give you a 90-degree illumination angle. So more forward-facing light, but also if you want to be able to see what's going on directly to your left or to your right, these mirrors will help you do that. As far as the mirror itself, you got a high-quality aluminum housing, IP rating of 67, so dust-proof, waterproof. It's a very large mirror, so when you do have these mounted up, it makes it easy to know what's going on with everything behind you. As far as the mounting goes, what's nice is that it comes with these open style clamps that are a universal fit, so for different size roll cages. What's also nice about this open design is that it makes it easy to get these mounted up with the windshield that you may already have on your side-by-side. So again, nice clamp design there, built from high quality aluminum. As far as the wiring goes, so here is the wiring harness. So it does come with a rocker switch. A common question we get is power draw. So these will pull 45 watts from both mirrors. But as far as the wiring goes, it's very simple. We recommend going to a key-on power source and then to the battery. And then from there, it's just direct plug and play. We just got back from a trip in southern Utah. We had these mounted up to a Pro XP and they looked awesome and they give you lots of additional lighting, which is exactly why you want to have these on there. So again, if you don't already have mirrors for your UTV and you're shopping for a great set, I would highly recommend these. If you already have mirrors, but you like the idea of having that 90-degree illumination angle, then these mirrors are exactly what you need. So to grab a set, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. These are sold in a set of 2. And as always, we ship for free over $75. To stay up to date on products like these, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.